Okay, so welcome to bonus lesson 13 in our digital course ChatGPT for credit repair. This is a mega important issue because identity theft is a growing menace that can really shatter financial security and peace of mind. Your clients need help. How can you protect your clients and defend them from identity theft? Well, in bonus video number 13, again, this is just a preview, but in that video, in that lesson, you're gonna understand how to compose effective and professional letters to address identity theft issues. We're going to give you clear guidelines for initiating contact with financial institutions, credit bureaus, and relevant authorities. We'll talk about gathering and attaching supporting documents for a really robust case every single time. Most importantly, we'll give you strategies to ensure timely resolutions and prevent future identity theft incidents. All of this is done by using ChatGPT to your advantage. With AI, you can become an identity defense expert. You can guide your clients through a secure and confident recovery process. If you want to learn how to use ChatGPT for your credit repair business, go ahead and enroll in our course today. That link's down below. We can't wait to see you inside.